Hmm? That's you. Yeah, see? See? It's a mirror. And you, there's another mirror. Yeah, that's you. That's you, Susie. Look at you. Just climb on the phone. He's having a hard time with the mirror. Huh? Oh, you hit the mirror pretty hard. You're gonna hurt yourself. Yeah, you're gonna hurt yourself. Come on, sweetie. Yeah, you're gonna be okay. He keeps. Okay, you can climb on my finger if you want, but he keeps hitting the window, thinking he's that competitor. You're the tough guy. Come on, come on. He... Ouch! Ow! Ow! That hurt. That hurt what you did. Wow! He bit me. No, no, I'm not gonna let you do that again. That's a pretty good bite for a bird, you know. That's a good bite. A surprise. Like it was. Ah! Ouch! 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 Ah! Oh, wow. You're hurting me now. What is going on with this bird? I've never seen this before. He's nuts. Ow! It looks, there'd be some marks there. Right there. Ah! Ooh, the other hand. Ouch! What in the world is going on with you, buddy? Why are you so aggressive? Huh? Come on now. Come on. Ow. Ouch. Poor little thing. I wonder what's going on. Ow. Ow. Ouch. Hey, come on. You're hurting me. Ow. Oh. What is wrong with this bird? Huh? He got a bird. Okay, I gotta stop this video. This girl is hurting me. Oh. Poor thing. He's got a problem. Gotta be a